Hello everyone and welcome back. It's kind of a little bit of a brisk morning here in Minnesota. It's not too bad. I just got the wood stove going out here in the workshop. Get it warmed up in here a little bit. I know in one of the previous videos you guys watched me make that island table for up at the house and the little bench or the little seat or stool that went with it. Anyway, I need to make another little table for Melissa's mixer, and I need to make another one of those stools. So I'm going to see what lumber I have. I don't even know if I have enough to make both of those projects. But once I figure that out, we're going to build something. But for right now, I'm just going to let it warm up in here for a couple hours, and I'll come out and get started. Okay, so I'm back out here. It's warmed up a little bit. I wanted to make the mixer table, but I don't think I have enough wood for that. I forgot that she wants to have a drawer to put stuff in, all of the attachments for her mixer, and I just don't think I have enough of this kind of wood right now. I do have a call in to get some more of this because this stuff I did not mill myself. But it's a couple hours away and they haven't got back to me yet. And even then, once I get it, I'm going to want to get it inside. It's sitting there and it's dried, but it's not acclimated to here. So what I actually think I might do with this, 2 years ago, I don't know, 3-4 years ago, I built a cute little thing for her recipe for her cookbooks, and I made that out of cherry, and it was pretty nice. So I'm thinking about going back and looking at all the cherry that I have back there. I actually have a few of them in here, and see if I have enough to make this table out of the cherry and just go a completely different route. None of this rustic look. That was more of a, I don't know what you want to call it, just more, not modern, but not rustic at all. So I might look at doing it that way, but for right now, I have enough to make the stool. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and do that because we wanted a second stool to go with that island table. 21. I can already hear that the bearings are starting to go on this. I usually get about 1 year out of these saws, maybe a little more. Right now I'm looking for one that has like a cast iron deck on it, a bigger one that maybe has an external motor that'll last a little bit longer. So the old bench was 13 3/4 the total width on top, and we have 1 1/4 overhang past the legs. So that makes it 11 1/4 for my what it is between for the outside to the outside of the legs. That's a little better. Yeah, that should work. Well, it's about 10 to 12, so I'm going to run in and have some lunch. Come out this afternoon and work on this thing some more. Well, I'm back out here after lunch. Let's get this thing finished up. Well, I'm all done building it now, and I don't have any satin, which is what I had to put on the other project. All I have is semi-gloss here, but I'll put this on. I'll just do the same thing when I bring it back up there. I'll put on a coat of satin. And I only have a 1-inch brush. I have a couple of those. I usually like using a 2-inch, but this will have to do. The first coat is on. I'll wait 2 or 3 hours and I'll come back out here and give it a light sanding, and I'll get another coat on yet today. It's about 2 hours later. It's still a little bit tacky. I'm definitely not one of them people that waits 24 hours between coats. So I brought it over here and put it closer to the fire, so it's probably 10 degrees warmer, and I think in about an hour I'll be able to put one more coat on. Well, it's about 9:30 at night right now. I just took a shower, but I really wanted to get one more coat on this yet tonight. That overnight dry time is beautiful because you can't do anything, so might as well let it dry. So this video is just about done. I'm going to have to put some more coats of varnish on here. I think I had like 10 coats on the other stool, and if I don't put the same amount of coats on this one, it's not going to have that depth that I'm going to need so it matches. I will see you guys on the next video, and I'll definitely show the stool sitting next to the other one in an upcoming video.